Project Information Delivery Cycle. This is a must-have information. I repeat, it's the must-have information for anyone who claims to know anything about BIM. And the reason behind this is that this information cycle includes everything and anything that you have heard or will hear about BIM. So as a result, now I'm gonna cover my face with a diagram that you already know. So let's go into the depth with this diagram. As you can see, the project information delivery cycle has been divided into six different phases. The first phase we have is called as assessment. The second one is called as procurement. The third one is called as contract award. The fourth one is the mobilization. The fifth one is production. And the sixth one is asset information / model maintenance. Now in this video, I'm going to be talking about the first one, which is assessment phase. Assessment phase. Assessment phase is the first phase in the information delivery cycle. At this stage, as the name itself suggests, assessment, we assess the particular needs of the client. We start this phase by asking the main question. What are the objectives that the client wants to achieve by specifically implementing BIM? After he has answered that question, next we move on to asking some technical questions such as what are the particular softwares that needs to be implemented in order to ensure a smooth running of BIM. What standards are to be followed when exchanging information between different software platforms or between different project team members. After we have answered technical questions like these or assessed on them, next we move on to the management phase where we decide what kind of people and project team members will be included on this particular project. What roles will they play? What authorities will they have? All of these management related questions. So you get the idea. The most basic questions that need to be answered before the implementation of BIM. That's what assessment phase is all about. And after we are done with this particular assessment phase, we create something called as EIR. Now, if you don't have any idea what EIR stands for or what it is, I made a video which will be linked down below where I explain what EIR is. I suggest you go back and see that and then come back to this one later. Now, EIR also contains all of these information that we just assessed on. All of the managerial information, all of the technical information, the main BIM goals and objectives to be achieved. All of these things are compiled into a document which we call as EIR. And that's what is made of after the assessment phase. So that's about it. That's what I had to discuss in this video. In the next video, I will be discussing the information delivery cycle second phase, which is called as procurement. So stay tuned for that, and this has been Naman Singhal from Rising Gulf, and I will see you guys in the next video. And don't forget, if you guys like this kind of videos and want to see more, subscribe to my YouTube channel on which you are probably watching it. So click that button down below. Click it. Yeah, I'm waiting. Click it. After you have done that, all of the social links are down below. Also, if you want to get in touch with me, and that's about it. And see you guys in the next one.